In this paper, we'll discuss this is April 2018 compiler construction paper, where we'll discuss the question number 4 B-a to check whether given grammar is SLR 1 or not. It's a 6 marks problem, and this is what is the grammar given to us. So let's look at the solution to check SLR 1. SLR is basically a bottom-up parser, which stands for simple LR, and it has got LR 0 items. So the first step you already know is to augment the grammar. So first we have to augment grammar means to add the starting rule. So we are adding a rule here, s dash goes to n, and then remaining rules as it is. The next step is to find the closure of the starting non-terminal. So let's just s dash, that's item number 0. We just take the starting rule as it is and put the dot at the start. And after dot we got a non-terminal, so we have to take rules of that non-terminal, dot at the start. After dot again we got rules non-terminal v and e, so we take rules of v and e, dot again at the start. After dot there's a terminal, dot v, non-terminal, but its old rules are already taken here in the same item, so don't take again. Now the next thing is all go to, so we have to find I naught comma, after dot there's an n, so I naught comma n is the first item. Item 1 is go to of I naught comma n. We just copy this rule as it is and shift the dot, so s dash goes to n dot. Similarly, item number 2 is I naught comma v, that's n goes to v dot equal to e. So dot shifts here. After dot there's a equal to, which is terminal. Then again we got one more dot v from I naught, is one more v here, so we have to shift the dot here as well. So e goes to v dot. So there are two rules in this item number 2. Now this is the finish rule. Item number 3 is I naught comma e. Next after v there's next is e. So I naught comma e. So we have n goes to e dot. Again this rule is finished. After this now we have got I naught comma a and star. So we got similarly here item number 4 I naught comma a, v goes to a dot, finished. And item number 5 I naught goes comma star, so here dot shifts, so v goes to star dot e. After dot there's a non-terminal, so we have to take rules of e, so e goes to dot v, dot at the start. Because of dot v non-terminal, take rules of v, dot at the start, terminal, leave it. Then next item number 6 will be, now I naught comma I naught is over, so we have to look for I1 is already over, I2 is over, I3 is I2, here there is a star equal to. So next item number 6 is go to I2 comma equal to. So where this dot shifts here, so n goes to v dot equal to dot e. After dot is a non-terminal, so take rules of this non-terminal e goes dot v, non-terminal, take rules of v, terminal. Now after this I2 comma equal to, I2 is over, I3 is over. Now let's move to I4. I4 is also over. So I5 comma e will be the next item. So next item we have got item number 7, I5 comma e, v goes to star e dot shifts here. So this is the finish rule again. Now from I5 the next thing is v. So next item is go to I5 comma v, so e goes to v dot, that's this item number 8. Next I5 comma a, v goes to a dot, it's already finished. So I5 comma a is same as item number 4. So item number 4 is here, so it's exactly same. Then next go to of I4 comma I5 comma, this is a star, which is v goes to star dot e, I think, but same as this item, so it is same as item number 5. Then we move to after this I5, now we will move to item number 6. We got here e. So next item will be go to I6 comma e, that is item number 9. So n goes to v equal to e dot, it's a finish rule. Then after that I6 comma v, e goes to v dot is same as item number 8. Okay, this is what is item number 8 here. And then I6 comma a, same as item number 4. I6 comma star is same as item number 5. You can see here. So we are finished with all items now. So we got total 9 items, and then we have got this consider a parsing table for SLR. So we have got total 9 items, you can see here, and then you can see here there are two parts in this table, action part and the go to part. In action part we write the terminals, so in any order you can write equal to a dollar, and don't forget the dollar column here because that's more important for follow entries. And then go to part you have to write the non-terminals of your grammar, that's n, e, v. Don't write the starting non-terminal, that is s dash, because that column will be empty anyways, no need. So now we just try to make first shift entries, shift and go to entries, just scan the item headers. So I naught comma here n is item number 1, so I naught n is 1 here. Similarly I naught v is 2, I naught e is 3. So as you find here I naught comma v and I naught comma e is 3. Next here what you see is terminals, that's I naught comma a is I4. So I naught and a entry is shift entry 4. So I naught and a is shift 4. That's 4 means item number 4. Similarly after that now you find here I0 comma star is S5, so a star is S5 here, you can see here entry. Then similarly you got here I2 comma equal to 6, so I2 comma equal to is S6, and then you find your I5 comma A S4, S5, here I6 comma V is 8, and so on. You can make this shift and go to entries. All these blue color entries you can see shift and go to entries here in this table. Now let's look at reduce entries. For reduce entries, SLR will require a follow. So to find the follow, we need to find follow of starting non-terminal S dash is obviously a dollar. Follow of N is the last non-terminal. So follow of N is follow of S dash. So you get this dollar here. Then we have got a follow of N, it doesn't appear anywhere else. Next is follow of E I want. So follow of E is the last non-terminal here. So follow of E is follow of N. So we get dollar here as well. Then we have got E here as well. So follow of E is follow of V. But we haven't found the follow. जो visa follow को अपन turn अंतर add करूँ. So now I want follow of V. So V is here. Follow of V is follow of E. So I copied this dollar here. And then I find here V is here as well. So follow of V is first of equal to. That's equal to. So I got equal to here. Now because follow of V is follow of E and follow of E is follow of V, we have to also take this equal to here and dollar here. So that is both of follow are same. Now to make reduce entries, we'll check the atoms. Okay, this is what is in first atom starting with finishes. So I1 starting around terminal is follow is dollar. So I1 and dollar entry is accept. So $1 you always write the entry accept here, where the parser is going to give you success announcement when the sentence is accepted, means the sentence is grammatically correct. Then in item number 2, E goes to V. So item number 2, E goes to V, we have numbered this rule as rule number 3. So you write rule number 3 in item number 2 in follow of E, that is dollar equal to. So item number 2 you see here, there's a dollar and equal to rule number 3. Now as you see here, there's a conflict, shift reduce conflict here. Similarly, looking at other items, we can write remaining reduce entries, and this is what you get reduce entries here, R3, R2. Make sure all rules are finished somewhere. Okay, so every rule is finished here, R1, then there's R2, the R3, R4, R5. Okay, now R0 means accept. So now you find that there's a shift reduce conflict, because of which this grammar is not SLR1. Please remember this, grammar is not SLR1.